Hi, let me show you how to translate on your keyboard. You can do that with Swiftkey keyboard. Swiftkey is an Android app, and the app can translate to any language. You can translate to French, you can translate to Vietnamese, you can translate to English, you can translate to Chinese, you can translate to any language that you want, as long as the language exists. So let's hold on for this to install. Then I'll show you the step-by-step on how to customize it and set it up. So we are done with installing. Let's move on to setting up our keyboard. You have to enable it as a step 1. When you click on step 1 to enable, then you go to step 2, selecting Swift keyboard. So you have to switch from your default keyboard to Swiftkey keyboard. Then after that, we can move to setting our predictions. So we are setting this up in just less than 5 minutes. Okay. So you can sign in. You can sign in with your email or your Microsoft account if you have one. So pick this, and then we can proceed. Okay, so here we are. We have our keyboard right here, and so if you click this key right press now, you can see that we have more things inside there. You can resize it, you can make it float, you can even make it your thumb size. You can have different layouts. So what do? We try our keyboard. Okay, so now we have installed our Swiftkey. So let's move to setting it up to translate for us. Let's go to setting it up to translate for us. So we'll go to our notepad and try that out. So here, this key, if you can't find yours here, you can see this is the key that will translate our language. If you can't find yours, you just come right here and you will see it. You see it right under here. That is where so the key is already there. The key is up here. The key is here. So we are wasting time. Let's try to translate our first language. Let's translate our first language to French. Let's translate our first language to French by saying hello, and this will translate to translating. We have it here, bonjour. So we have bonjour here as our French language, and we can also proceed to how are you. translation for French. So we have other languages there. We have other languages that we can switch to. You can also switch to Spanish. So to Spanish is translating it. It's now como estas. That is our French. That is our Spanish language. So moving to the next, they can also say it's nice. You know, when you're talking to a friend that is a Spanish friend, it's nice to hear from you. I need to translate this. So now we can copy this and translate back to English. Let's assume this was sent to us. So we'll tell our keyboard that this is Spanish. We are translating back to English. Then you can now paste it there. And you can see this was what we wrote before. We'll try that again and see. Paste it again, and you will see our English word is back. So you can switch from Spanish, you can switch from French to Spanish, and that's from French to Spanish. You can switch from Arabic to Spanish, or you can even switch from Spanish to Arabic. You can switch from Spanish to Arabic, and I have it right here as. So you come inside the translator and it will translate. As you can see, this means from Spanish, this is our Arabic, so we can copy this Arabic word. You can copy this Arabic word and get something and see if we can translate this from Arabic to English and check out what we have written. So let's paste this and you will see from Arabic to English. Paste it there. As you can see, this is what we've written so far. Our Spanish is here. These are our Arabic words. You can translate to any language that you want. We have over 300 languages that it supports. So from anywhere in the world, when you're talking to someone, you can easily translate what they're saying right in your keyboard, as long as you're chatting with them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Just like and subscribe. Thank you.